This is a Century Communities Plan, Bristol. 5-bedroom home. Let's go inside and take a look. Wow, when you come on in, it's open to below. Closet. Wow, big living room and kitchen. 42-inch cabinets. And this will come with all the appliances as well. Beautiful hard surface flooring. There's the backyard, and it has a patio slab. The home comes with a zoned air conditioner Ecobee system. This is the master bedroom. Two sinks. Stand-up shower. Toilet has a door. Got a linen closet here, and here's the master closet. We're back in the kitchen, and check out this pantry. Very nice. Microwave will go here. Range will go here. Dishwasher here. Refrigerator there. And there are 2 bedrooms downstairs, so here's bedroom 2. Oh wow, walk-in closet with a light. Very nice. Across is the full bathroom. This is the utility room, and this one will come with the washing machine and dryer. Here's the 2-car garage. This one comes with a tankless water heater, sprinkler system. You can see it right over there. And a garage door opener. Okay, let's go upstairs. So we got a big game room. Utility closet. Here's the second thermostat for upstairs. Here's bedroom 3. Here's bedroom 4. And another walk-in closet. This is bedroom 5. Another walk-in closet. And there's a bathroom upstairs. Here we go. We got dual vanities. And then inside here is the toilet and the shower. And there we have it. That's a Century Communities Plan, Bristol. If you got any questions about it, let me know.